Okay, welcome viewers. My name is Stephen Anjala, the manager of Shanbrew Chicks. These are the chicks that these are a new business venture that we have just ventured in. Shanbrew is an acronym. It's a name that comes from two of the names. That's Sharon and Bruce. Shanbrew, it originated from Sharon. Okay, this was Sharon's idea, and Bruce was the seconder. He seconded the idea, so that's when we felt like we should call it that name. So actually, this business, this idea, it's an idea that comes in a tag that growing towards being a millionaire. As I said earlier, Shanbrew is an agro business. This is an agro business venturing into layers, and we decided to do layers because we looked among the three groups of poultry farming. That's broiler, broad cage, and layers. So we decided to do layers because we realized that layers has got a variety of business, a variety of ventures. That is, people can eat eggs. You can sell eggs in the shops. You can sell eggs in schools. You can sell eggs to people who make cakes. Unlike broilers, whereby the only venture that maybe the only business opportunity where you can sell these things are butcheries and hotels. So this idea came on along towards mid-January when we were just trying to think what we can do as a family, because we have ventured into many businesses and not all of them that have worked. So we decided to venture into this one so that at least we can try to manage and get to see what we can do. So my wife came up with this as an idea, and we felt like we can we can try it. So we went to Google to look for some information, because before you do something you need to do some checks and balances. So we did a research on how to get into this thing. So we got some ideas, we got some videos from YouTube, we got some information from Google to see what we really had to do. So we started with 200 chicks, and so far this is now the 6th day. We are looking upon tomorrow, the 7th day, so that maybe we can do the vaccination of Newcastle disease. And so far so good. We came with 200 chicks. Actually we bought 200, but they gave us 204, and so far so good. We have lost 2, and from the 2 that we have lost, we have learned things. We have learned some things. We have learned some mistakes. Like now, the first one, it died on the 3rd day, whereby we realized that it had a problem. But now the mistake we did, instead of isolating it with with others, we actually put them together, and because it was so weak, so the others got a stampede on it, and actually it died. And another one died yesterday. That's our 6th day. The one which died yesterday, it had it. Okay, I don't know what the mistake we did is that we kept the lights off. So we thought that maybe we can start, the cutting of lights so that at least they can sleep. So actually we feel like actually we are not that much, but we feel like maybe it was maybe because the heat became so much wide, and others did a stampede on it, so it died. That's yesterday, 6th day. But so far so good. We're not complaining because we are learning. This is a learning process. This is something that we have never tried before. We just learning, and we hope it's going to be something good. These are still young chicks, and we are managing. We're trying to manage. The 6th day, we have only the 2 mortality rates. We thank God. We decided to do the brooding, and brooding actually we are doing of heating of we are using electricity, and once in twos sometimes lights power goes off, so we also have a jiko that we are trying to use, and we thank God that it's doing well. And the brood actually the brood has got heat, and we say it's good that there's enough heat that is going through here, and actually the power it's so expensive to maintain power. So far so good. This being a 6th day, we have used 1,200 Kenyan shilling for tokens. About feed, we bought a half bag of chick starter, and this is what we're trying to use, and we hope that let me catch up this. Yeah, this is what we use with the chick starter that we are using, and as you can see, it was a half bag, that's 25 kgs, and they are written, and it's going to be finished. We probably feel like by next week the feed will be over, and now that's when we shall start introducing chick mash. So far we have got one bag in the store. We're looking upon ahead to buy some more, probably around 5 bags or 50 kgs that at least can last for around a month. So viewers, as I was saying, this is our first video that we're coming up with, and you need to expect more videos because we're just starting. It was so unfortunate that day one, when the chicks were arriving, we were unable to give you a video, but now that we have started, you are going to expect more and more videos. Tomorrow, as we vaccinate the chicks, that's day 7th, we'll have a video that we will try to show you how to vaccinate these chicks. That's now this 2nd vaccination, that's Newcastle. So expect more videos from us as Shanbrew grows. As they say, this is a journey towards being a millionaire. God bless you.